my name is Heavenly. Welcome to my channel. This video is part 2 in the restoration series for my Connecticut chair wheel. I made this video so that you can see the wheel in action and you can see how I've used it for my hand spun project. After restoring this wheel, of course, I wanted to spin yarn on it. And this wheel's superpower is its ability to input a lot of twist into hand drafted fiber. And this is done with very little effort in the treadling. So that means I can mellow out and chill and basically put more focus on the drafting and sampling to see if I can get the yarn that I prefer. Because I don't want to take the spotlight from the wheel's performance in this video, I won't go into a ton of detail with the sampling, the swatching, technical spinning information, things like that. So I may add that in down the line as bonus content. And if that's something you are interested in, just drop a comment below. All right, let's get into it. Let's take a look at my fibers. For this project, I chose a multicolored blue-faced Leicester dyed top and a 70-30 blend of blue-faced Leicester and nylon, which is also dyed top, but the color is a soft pink. I figured socks would be a fun spin for this color combination, and it would be a breeze to spin really fine singles on my Connecticut chair wheel. I am working with 3.5 ounces of multicolored top and 4 ounces of the soft pink, which is plenty of fiber for socks. All right, let's take a look at the wheel. The top fibers are not pre-drafted here, but they are spun from several thin strips. I'm just getting a feel for the fiber. This is a closer look. Here's a sample of a 2-ply that I can use as a reference. I also did a 3-ply sample, although it's not shown here. From here, I continue on with my spinning, and I show different angles of the spinning wheel. If you'd like, you can pause the video right here and grab your spindle, grab your wheel, and you can spin with me. After the spinning is done, I rewound the singles onto storage bobbins. I divided the singles so that I would have one skein per sock. I love my 3-ply sample where I use 2 singles of the multicolored top and 1 single of the soft pink dyed top. So that is what my plan is for my socks. And here I am just plying my yarn. Here's what my finished yarn looks like. Here's what it looks like off the wheel. These are my individual skeins, and as you can see, I have a mini skein left over. Alright, so here is my sock in progress. The sock pattern that I decided on is called Movie Socks by Kate Blackburn. And the pattern is found in the Joy of Socks book. The description below will have the information if you're interested in finding the pattern. As far as the actual pattern goes, it was really easy to remember the charts. It only took me, I would say, less than a week to knit both pairs. I personally love using double pointed needles for socks, and this was a breeze to knit. It was a lot of fun. The bobbles, I felt that there weren't too many of them. I felt like it was just the right amount for my preference, and I didn't make any modifications to the pattern, which is something I normally would do. My finished socks weighed 65 grams or 2.3 ounces. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed the content, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share with a friend. Until the next installment, happy spinning.